Distortion in singing. It's something that is becoming more and more and more popular outside of the rock and metal genres. Even in pop, we now hear it all the time. So how do you do it? I've got you covered. I have an exercise for you today. Hey there, singers. It's Lara from Boxtape Studios, an online singing studio where we help transform shy and aspiring singers into confident and authentic artists. Distortion in singing can come in a bunch of different shapes and sizes. Today we're going to look at two different kinds of distortion, one being vocal fry and one being rasp. Vocal fry is this, and probably something that you already do. You might be aware of it, you might not, but most people have vocal fry in their voice automatically already. Vocal fry is the easiest form of distortion to create in your singing because it comes naturally to most people. Raspy singing is one level up. Rasp sounds like this. Hey! Okay, you hear how it kind of goes through the whole note and not just hey, hey. It's more like just at the beginning. That's vocal fry. Rasp goes through the whole note most of the time, depending on what you want to do, of course. Today's exercise is gonna look at both vocal fry and rasp. Now it's super, super, super important to me, and I cannot stress this enough. If you're feeling any discomfort at all, and you're feeling like you're just blowing your voice out when you're doing raspy voice, please stop and get some help. This is really not something to be playing around with and not take seriously, because you can literally blow out your voice in minutes if you continue and you just don't pay attention to what your voice feels like, okay? All right, now let's have a look at how the exercise goes. I use the song You and I by Lady Gaga. So here we're starting out all these notes on vocal fry. And really scoop up into those higher notes. Now this is rasp. We're doing exactly the same thing as when we did vocal fry. Same melody, same words, but now on rasp. That's already the whole exercise. And one more time, if you're feeling any discomfort, please stop this exercise, rest, and then try again at a later point. All right, let's do the whole exercise together. How's your voice feeling right now? Say something, just like, hello, my name is whatever. How does your voice sound right now? It should not sound any different right now than it did a minute and a half ago before we started this exercise. If it sounds different or it feels very tired or worn out, then that means you were blowing too much air through your vocal folds to make that distorted sound happen, okay? So again, please, if you're feeling any discomfort, just stop and try again the next day. Make sure you check out the description box below this video for some really great singing resources, including the link to book a private one-on-one session with me if you're looking for some extra help. I'd love to help you and sing with you. Check out these videos next for some more singing exercises, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you did indeed enjoy this video. Thank you so much for singing with me, and I'll see you in the next one.